menurunkan skuad terbaik. Dewa United bermain rapi selama 90 menit. Bermodal 5 pemain timnas, Dewa mendominasi jalannya pertandingan lewat gol cepat dari Alex di menit 12. Arema sempat berganti-ganti formasi, namun tidak banyak menyulitkan permainan solid dari Dewa. Justru Dewa berhasil menggandakan keunggulan lewat sontekan Tasei Marukawa pada menit ke-77. Sebelum disusul gol hiburan Arema dari Dalberto di menit 90+7. Pelatih Jan Olderi Kering mengakui senang dengan penampilan apik Dewa di Kanjuruhan. 3 poin jadi modal penting Dewa United Banten FC naik klasemen.
Kita tahu that 2 years ago and even last year, kita tahu kalau 2 tahun lalu bahkan
we didn't have a good start.
Kita tidak punya start yang baik.
2 years ago we had 11 points in the first 8 games.
2 tahun lalu kita cuma 11 poin, 8 pertandingan.
And last year we only had 8 points.
Tahun lalu bahkan cuma 8.
And we had 1 win, 5 draws and 2 losses.
1 win, sisanya ada menang, ada
and even this season we didn't start well.
Bahkan musim ini kita kembali tidak start dengan baik.
And I think the main goal I think in this game for us,
jadi tujuan utama di pertandingan ini buat kita
was just to believe in what we are doing.
Adalah percaya dengan apa yang kita lakukan.
And that's we know, I see them train.
Pelatih tahu karena dia lihat kita.
We evaluate every game, so the players work very hard. The players execute every game the plan.
Evaluasi setiap pertandingan, latihan bagus, kerja keras dan.
But at the end you have somewhere to win a game.
Dan pada akhirnya kita butuh menang.
Today we had also planned.
Hari ini juga kita ada rencana.
Because Arema played the first 25 minutes 4-4-2.
Arema main 20 menit pertama 4-4-2. 1-4-4-2.
But it didn't give us a lot of problems, so I didn't change anything.
Nggak ngasih kita banyak masalah, jadi dia nggak rubah banyak hal.
And then Arema went back in a different system, just 1-4-3-3.
Terus Arema ganti formasi jadi 1-4-3-3.
But in both systems they didn't get any control in the way we played.
Tapi di 2 sistem itu mereka nggak punya kontrol dari bagaimana cara.
I think the first half was I think maybe one of the best 45 minutes we played since I'm a coach of Dewa.
Babak pertama tadi dia rasa salah satu babak pertama terbaik selama dia jadi pelatih di Dewa.
I think it was very nice to see the qualities of the players.
Karena enaklah dilihat kualitas pemain.
I think we could even score more goals.
Bahkan semestinya kita bisa cetak lebih banyak gol.
And the second half, I think one part we played good.
Babak kedua satu bagian kita main bagus.
Only the second part is of course one part is also that Arema will come and they have physics and then it's getting more like a battle.
Bagian kedua Arema kita tahu bakal balik, mereka punya fisik bagus dan kita tahu bakal duel.
I think we didn't have any problems.
Tapi kita nggak ada masalah.
And I'm very proud of the team.
Bangga dia dengan tim.
Because in these circumstances we must have confidence.
Karena di suasana seperti ini kita butuh.
And you know, confidence that it comes by foot.
Percaya diri kadang-kadang datang dari kaki.
And it leads by horse, they say.
Dan dilihatnya sama kuda kalau kata peribahasa.
Can you translate? Confidence comes by foot, so very slowly.
Ya, kepercayaan diri itu datang dari kita jalan.
And it leads by what is horse in English?
Kuda.
Kuda. And it leads by horse. And walk is?
Jalan.
Jalan. So jalan and kuda. So it in these circumstances you really have to
situasi seperti inilah.
See how strong your team is.
Kita butuh lihat seberapa kuat tim kita.
And they fought for each other and they played very good football.
Dan mereka berjuang satu sama lain dan main bola.
So this I'm very proud of it.
Jadi intinya nanti bangga lah Pak.
Sometimes that's also the conclusion.
Kadang-kadang kesimpulannya itu aja sih.
Maybe if I have to mention a player,
kalau ada yang harus disebutkan pemain,
is Rijo.
Ada namanya Riza.
Riza. He's of course he's just from Borneo.
Dia datang dari Borneo.
It was his first game.
Pertandingan pertama dia.
I think he did fantastic.
Dia lakuin luar biasa.
And that's I think I don't like to put players as an individual.
Dia nggak mau taruh pemain sebagai
But
individu,
I think he deserves a big compliment.
tapi dia berhak dapat pujian lah. Oke.
Ya, coach sudah bicara semua, tapi
Speak everything.
yang penting buat kita hari ini kita dapat 3 poin, itu yang paling penting.
Hasil ini membuat Dewa United naik ke peringkat 10 klasemen sementara, sedangkan Arema FC masih tetap di papan atas dengan peringkat 3 klasemen sementara. Dari Kabupaten Malang, Arista ATV melaporkan.